We're back, we're in Cobh, and Sigma Homes are kicking off another major bungalow transformation. Our homeowners bought this house in 2019. Sigma Homes have got planning permission to turn this house into a beautiful two-storey home. This design has really been focused around the beautiful Cobh views. And right here where Brendan's working, we've designed a big sliding door, and that will lead on to our decking. And right here, just inside the digger where the block work is, we're going to have a small wall with glazing, and it's going to have a covered in canopy. It'll kind of have that American porch feel to it. Upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms, and right somewhere here, we've got 2 windows capturing all these amazing views. Inside, we've got our master bedroom. Within this room, we've got a walk-in wardrobe, and right opposite to that, we've got an ensuite. In this room, we've got some beautiful tiling, some beautiful finishes, but what really stands out is the feature tile in the shower. Overhead and to my right-hand side, we've got 2 bedrooms for the boys, and on my left, we've got a real modern bathroom, but what I really love is the vanity unit and the brick in the shower has got that beautiful blue theme for the boys. Right here, underneath all this madness, is the end of the living room. And we've designed, and we're going to be building a big chimney. And the colour we're going to have is what we call a studio green. And at the very opposite end, we're going to have 2 doors. And we've designed this big bookcase that wrap all the ways around with LED lights. Once we come through these doors, this leads us straight into our dining and kitchen. Under the island, we've also gone with the green, and that matches perfectly with the chimney at the opposite end, giving it balance. To our right, the kitchen units, we've gone for a retractable door. So on the left, we've got a coffee dock station, and on our right, we've got a pantry. But when closed, it's a real slick look. As I make my way through the kitchen, this leads us into our utility room, and right here where it says door, we'll have a separate entrance. A lot happening in here, but in particular what I love is the finish of the boot room. There's no doubt about it, wherever Sigma Home goes, drama follows. But come the 7th of June, just as there's going to be leaves on that tree, this home is going to be finished.